Models C200 and C300 wire strippers from the Eraser Company strip extruded wire quickly and cleanly through the use of a twin-blade rotary head. The stripping head incorporates a pair of easily adjustable tungsten carbide stripping blades, which can remove various types of insulation from solid or stranded wire. Wire diameter, including insulation, may range from 0.028 inches to 0.265 inches. These models will remove the slug and twist the strands of wire when withdrawn, or the slug may be left on the wire and removed later prior to termination. By reversing the belts, the units may be operated with either clockwise or counterclockwise rotation, depending on the lay of the wire. The C200 has a single head, while the C300 has 3 identical heads. The triple head stripper can increase productivity by saving on setup time and maintaining quality. The C300 can also be used for 3-stage stripping of coaxial cable. Depending on the material, these units are capable of stripping a length as small as 1/32 of an inch. An adjustable strip length stop allows for consistent and repeatable strip lengths. Wire guides are not included and must be purchased separately based on wire size. Both the C200 and C300 are available in 120 or 220 volt versions. For more information about Eraser's wide range of wire processing equipment, contact your sales rep today.